Hey guys, in this video I will show you the 5 best AI hairstyle tools online free to use. Alright, let's begin. First up, we have YouCam Makeup by Perfect Corp. This tool lets you try different hairstyles and colors. You can experiment with trendy cuts and shades to see which suits you best. Coming in at number 2 is FaceApp. It uses AI to transform your hair with realistic styles. You can preview both short and long hairstyles instantly, making it easy to plan your next look. At number 3, we have Photor AI Hairstyle. This online tool offers hair color and style previews. It provides suggestions based on your face shape for a more personalized experience. Next, at number 4, is My Edit by Cyberlink. This app allows you to change hairstyles and colors with simple controls. You can test multiple styles quickly and save your favorite looks. Finally, number 5 is Media.io AI Hairstyle and Hair Color Virtual Try-On. It offers easy virtual hairstyle try-ons. You can adjust colors and lengths to see which style fits you best. So that's basically the 5 best AI hairstyle tools online free to use. Thanks!